Power BI community, and welcome to the January 2025 edition of the Power BI Monthly Update. I'm Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager on the Microsoft Fabric team, here to bring you the latest updates and new features in Power BI. Now, for more information on the topics in this video, check out the updates blog. You can find a link where? In the description below. All right, enough of all this talking. You know how we'd like to do. Instead of all this talking, let's get started. Copilot and AI. Unlock suggested questions from standard prompts in Copilot. When launching Copilot or using the prompt guide, users can choose from a selection of standard prompts. In preview mode, a new prompt titled "Answer a question about the data" will be available. Selecting this prompt will provide 3 suggested questions to facilitate data exploration. Now, we have a great demo from Rosie on the Power BI team, showing you how to unlock suggested questions from standard prompts in Copilot. Rosie, take it away.
This month, we released a new feature to Copilot to help you get started. When first launching Copilot, you'll notice a few standard prompts up at the top. While in preview mode, you'll notice a new prompt called "Answer a question about the data." When you select this prompt, you will unlock 3 suggested questions to help you get started exploring your data. You can continue to click the prompt by scrolling up to the top of Copilot or from the prompt guide to generate 3 more suggested questions if none of the first set are interesting to you. Authors can also personalize what shows up as suggested questions by using Q&A setup in Desktop to specify particular questions for that particular semantic model.